Leader. Customize your wonderful life. Foundation pouring and maintenance. The steel structure shall be treated with anti-corrosion paint. Corrosive-bonding components are coated and fixed according to drawings. The installation is simple, fast, and cost-saving. Different structures and layouts could be customized. Steel structure components can be made into 3 floors with increasing usable area by 5 to 13%. It can withstand magnitude 12 strong winds and magnitude 9 earthquakes. Water and electricity pipelines are installed in light steel keel without occupying indoor area. The exterior wall integrates thermal and sound insulation materials as its core and with various surface painting options. It is typical elegant, and the installation is easy and fast. The roof is installed with insulation materials, inorganic panels, waterproofing membranes, metal hanging tiles, and ceiling decorations. Embedded insulation material, having a perfect sound insulation effect. Install inorganic board. Install decorative panels with a variety of process and color options. Leader board is water, fire, and soundproof, eco-friendly, and easy to install. Inorganic board floor steel beams from strong and steel. Flooring decoration followed by fireproof panels, thermal insulation, and waterproofing operation. According to your individual needs, we carefully create a unique interior decoration space, ensuring that every detail fits your taste and lifestyle. Leader Professional Team will provide you with exclusive customization services, creating a warm home space for you with the fastest, highest quality, and most cost-effective solutions.